Number 6 on our list of the 8 ways to pay for assisted living in the state of Florida is long-term care insurance. What is long-term care insurance? It's a specialized insurance that provides coverage for long-term care costs. Now, long-term care insurance policies were very, very popular in the 80s, in the 90s, and even the early 2000s. Around 2004, they started to change some of the regulations because they saw that these policies were having to pay out a significant amount of money. The truth is, we're all living longer. And when policies like this were written in the 80s, our average lifespan was significantly less than it is today. These policies are tremendous when it comes to taking care of long-term care costs. If you were fortunate enough or smart enough to plan in advance and you have a long-term care policy, it can cover all of the cost of assisted living in many cases. The average long-term care policy pays on a daily rate. That daily rate is typically between $220 and $280 a day, which far exceeds the cost of most senior living environments in the state of Florida. Now, the downside is many of the long-term care policies do have termination dates, or they have caps on how much they will pay. The average is about 5 to 6 years, and there is an elimination period. When you first move into a community, they require a 90-day elimination period before their funds become available. This also requires the assistance of an expert to make sure that the long-term care policy is being properly utilized and that your insurance company is paying as it should. That's one of the reasons that Florida Senior Consulting works with many of the long-term care policies, such as Genworth, for example, which is the largest carrier of long-term care in the country. Today, long-term care insurance policies are very difficult to purchase and the premiums are very, very high. They still provide value, they still have great benefits, but they're much less affordable than they used to be. One of the things that every senior should know is that many, many times if you were a state, county, or federal employee, there was an option during your benefits election period where you could have potentially selected long-term care insurance. And many of you don't even know that you have the benefit without digging a little deeper and looking into your benefits policy to determine if you have this benefit available to you. We can also help you with that.